Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ostrich meat. Ostrich is a delicious and healthy red meat, often compared to lean beef or filet mignon. Because it's so low in fat, it cooks much more quickly than traditional beef. The key to success is to never overcook it, as this can lead to dryness. Aim for rare to medium-rare results, and always use a meat thermometer to achieve the ideal internal temperature for a tender, juicy meal. For perfect ostrich steaks, start by letting them reach room temperature. Then, sear them on a hot pan or grill for about 2 to 3 minutes per side to create a beautiful crust. The ideal internal temperature for medium rare is around 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, it cooks quickly. After cooking, let your steaks rest for 5 to 10 minutes, wrapped loosely in foil, to keep them wonderfully juicy and tender. Ground ostrich is incredibly versatile and can replace ground beef in nearly any recipe, from burgers to chili. It's so lean that you won't need to drain any fat after cooking, which is a great health benefit. When making burgers, consider brushing the patties with a little butter or cooking oil to maintain moisture. For larger cuts, like roasts, cooking at a lower temperature for a longer duration is best to ensure they remain tender and juicy. Ostrich meat offers a mild, savory flavor that pairs wonderfully with various seasonings and marinades. Its lean nature means it absorbs flavors quickly, so you might even reduce marinating times. Beyond its delicious taste, ostrich is a nutritional powerhouse. It's remarkably low in fat and cholesterol, even less than skinless chicken or turkey, while being high in protein and iron. It's a fantastic, healthy red meat option to explore in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.